Welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan. The F-47 NGAD, America's 6th-generation stealth fighter jet, stands as the pinnacle of modern military technology and the ultimate symbol of air superiority. This aircraft isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in aerial warfare, a combination of power, intelligence, and precision built to dominate the skies against any enemy. Designed under the United States Next Generation Air Dominance Program, the F-47 represents decades of innovation and tactical evolution, merging unmatched stealth, speed, and advanced artificial intelligence into one deadly frame. The F-47's design pushes the limits of what a fighter jet can be. Its sleek, sharp body is shaped to minimize radar detection, its surface covered in adaptive stealth skin that changes its signature based on the environment. Whether flying through the dark of night or under the blazing sun, the jet remains nearly invisible to radar, infrared, and even optical tracking systems. Its smooth, seamless exterior has no unnecessary edges or rivets. Every line is engineered for speed and stealth. This jet doesn't just avoid being seen, it avoids being found. Powering the F-47 are twin adaptive cycle engines that make it faster, more efficient, and more responsive than any previous generation aircraft. These engines can shift between fuel-saving cruise and raw thrust modes instantly, allowing the F-47 to soar beyond Mach 2.5 while maintaining unmatched fuel efficiency. With a combat range that stretches across continents and a ceiling above 70,000 feet, it can strike anywhere, anytime, without ever being detected. The sheer roar of its engines on takeoff is a reminder of the might that lies within a raw, relentless, unstoppable. Inside the cockpit, the future of warfare unfolds. The pilot sits surrounded by holographic displays and augmented reality interfaces that provide a complete, 360-degree view of the battlefield. Every enemy signal, radar trace, and threat signature appears instantly, processed by the jet's onboard eye. This artificial intelligence works faster than any human brain, analyzing patterns, predicting attacks, and even suggesting strike maneuvers before the pilot can think. The pilot and the machine move as one, as a human provides judgment, and the jet provides speed and precision beyond imagination. But the F-47's true power extends beyond itself. It is designed to command and coordinate entire fleets of autonomous drones, leading them deep into enemy territory. Acting as a digital commander, the F-47 can send real-time commands to drones, share sensor data, and execute synchronized attacks from multiple directions. In combat, it becomes a flying control center, a part fighter jet, part a strategist. This new level of coordination ensures that even the most advanced enemy defenses crumble before American air power. The weapon systems inside the F-47 are as intelligent as its brain. Hidden within its internal weapon bays are long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic precision weapons, and next-generation electronic warfare pods. Its directed energy systems can disable incoming missiles, blind enemy radar, and disrupt electronic systems without ever firing a bullet. When it strikes, it does so with surgical precision. A one target, one hit, no trace left behind. Against enemy fighters, the F-47's dominance is absolute. It can jam communications, deceive tracking systems, and fire before being detected. Against ground targets, it can deliver pinpoint strikes while remaining untouchable. Its advanced radar and sensor fusion systems detect, track, and eliminate threats long before they can respond. Every move, every flight path, every engagement is designed for one goal: a total victory. The F-47 also features next-generation survivability. Its redundant systems, cyber defense architecture, and self-repairing software make it nearly impossible to disable. Even under electronic attack, the jet maintains communication, targeting, and flight stability through advanced quantum encrypted links. It's not just a fighter, it's a flying fortress of technology. On the ground, the F-47's presence commands respect. Standing beneath bright white showroom lights, its metallic skin gleams like liquid steel. Engineers and officers circle it with awe, knowing they are in the presence of a masterpiece of American ingenuity. The walls behind display digital maps, mission simulations, and the proud colors of the United States flag, a reminder of the power this machine was built to protect. In the heat of combat, The F-47 moves like a phantom. It attacks unseen, destroys targets in seconds, and vanishes into the sky without a trace. No radar can lock onto it, no missile can match its agility, and no opponent can anticipate its next move. It's not just a jet, it's a statement that the era of American air dominance is not only secure but untouchable. The F-47 NGAD is the definition of superiority, a perfect fusion of stealth, speed, and intelligence. It redefines what a fighter jet means in modern warfare. From its mind-controlled eye systems to its unmatched lethality, every detail of this aircraft represents the peak of technological evolution. This is the fighter of the future, unseen, unstoppable, unmatched. The F-47 NGAD is not just America's next-generation aircraft, it is the ultimate guardian of the skies, the silent enforcer of freedom, and the proof that innovation and power still belong to those who dare to lead.